Asia CEO Davao 2021. Please welcome President Rodrigo Duterte. He was previously the mayor of Davao for many terms, well loved by the people of Davao, and built a name for him across the nation because of his success there with rule of law initiatives, is the phrase I like to use. He won the presidency as just a landslide victory, and something like 16 million, almost 17 million votes. And he is the first president from Mindanao. So really a pleasure to have him. Please welcome President Rodrigo Duterte, speaking for the second time with Asia CEO Events. President Rodrigo Duterte, please welcome him. And I think all of us should rise. I will. Glad to have him very much.
My warmest greetings to the organizers and participants of the virtual Asia CEO Davao Forum. I am pleased to be part of this convergence of executive managers in the Asia-Pacific region's business community. The forum's objective, which aims to promote and attract more business ventures in the Philippines, is very timely as we are now laying down the plans for the complete recovery of our economy from the COVID-19 pandemic. It is therefore my hope that everyone in this forum will join us as we take the next steps in our journey towards a healthier and more prosperous future for the Philippines. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you again, President Rodrigo Duterte. That was an inspiring message from an inspiring man. And thank you again for all you have done for the nation of the Philippines.